welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a tank in the Create mod. So if you want to make a tank in the Create mod, you just need the Create mod and Clockwork and maybe Valkyrie Skies. But you at least need Clockwork and maybe Valkyrie Skies and Create Encased. That's really all you actually need. So I'm gonna grab this, the physics infuser, and wander wand, and then I'm just gonna take wood. At the start, you can use any block, but I'm gonna use wood here. Then you're just gonna need to do this. Maybe 5 blocks just to get some space, and then maybe like 7 or 10 blocks here. So this is how it's gonna look. And then you get, oh yeah, right, you need track work. I forgot to mention that, but you're gonna take this round thing and this bronchi track, and then you're just gonna do this, and then you do that on the other side too. It's important to only have these at the end and these in the middle. That's important to remember. Oh, oh no. Yeah. Oh no, I think I need a new one. Okay. Let's just do this, and I just need to destroy these blocks here that is shown so it doesn't carry them. Then I can simply just do this and do this over the entire thing here. I don't know if you have to do it in one object or not, but I do it in multiple just to try now. Okay, then I take this, left click with the wand, and then left click this thing. Oh, the tracks fell off, but that's completely fine. I can just do it again. You probably should put the track in after you assemble it, because then it has less chance of breaking. And after you're done this, you want to break these blocks, and then you want to have the brass gearbox. And oh no, sorry. No, is it the brass gearbox? It is the brass gearbox with the connected, create connected. And then you want also from create connected, you want inverted clutch and the normal gear shift from the normal create mod. Then you just place this here, break the, oh no, sorry. I'm so sorry guys, but it actually you don't need to break these blocks, just these blocks, and then put the clutch and gear shift, just remember to sneak to not mess up that. Then since I'm doing this in creative and not survival right now, I'm gonna have this engine be powered at 80, no, 90 on down here. And then this one is gonna be 90 up here. And then, oh, just have to make it day. Okay, then you wanna grab linked controller and where is it? The redstone link. Put that on the inverted clocks. Take just two random blocks. Just place it like this and wrench it so it has this white thing. And then you wanna connect this one to W and this one to S. Then if you hold W, you go backwards. If you go S, you go this way. And if you hold that W and S, you go backwards. But that's an easy fix, I think. I mean, of course, you can just put the heat here too. So heat, and then if you just have the lectern, now you can decorate the tank just like you want. You can drive it around. You can add radar to it if you have great radar. If you have big cannon, you can add, for example, an auto cannon. I'm just gonna try now. I don't really remember how you make one of these, but I think it was like this, then like that, and 1, 2, 3. Then it was you just need a lever and a button. Then you wanna have assemble it. Oh, it did get assembled. Of course, you can just put a redstone link here, and just you do this, and then you can just I'm gonna use D just to make it simple, but you can use whatever button you want for all of these. And then you just need to do this. You want a filled autocannon cartridge with the Great Big Cannons mod. You want the flock autocannon round, and oh no, you actually want this one. Where is it? Isn't it here? Maybe it is in the advanced technologies version. No, it is not. But impact fuse. Yeah, here is it. The impact fuse you want, and you want a crafting table. Then you just need to craft it like this. How to cartridge? You want 2 of these, and then you want want 2 of the cartridges. You want the shift and the auto. Create the auto cannon ammo container. Just put it in there. Now it should fire and I pressed it. Yes, it does. And then I can just W and S and just explode that tree. now you have a working tank. And then I'll show you how to install a radar on it. You just simply want the radar bearing, the monitor, this is the mod, you want data link, network controller, this, the radar receiver, and create a radar plate. You can put it wherever you want. I'm gonna put it here, then there. Then I'm just gonna put the monitor next to me here. No, actually, I'll put it here so it's easier to see. Actually, no, actually, I'll change it again just to make sure the Canon doesn't accidentally shoot it. Then we have this. Connect the just set the network controller wherever you want. You want to left click the network controller and just left click here and do the same on the monitor. Now I think you just need now you just simply need the creative motor and oh yeah, like that. Have it at whatever speed you want. I'm gonna have that max speed. Now I can see everything here. I don't know what is what here, but since we don't want everything on the map to be shown, we're gonna have the detection filter. If we want, we can have the targeting filter too, but that is too complicated for me. You need to take the Canon and take this on the Canon, and then you need it to outdoor shoot everywhere, and I don't know how to do that. But the detection filter, you just wanna left click in there, choose player, probably contraption, projectile, maybe mob if you want that, animals and items too, but I'm gonna use players, contraption and projectile. Now I only see this, so if I begin to shoot here, I can see the yellow lines here is the projectile. The that is just the contraption, I think. No, that the white thing is fish, but I don't know why that didn't go away. I'll just try to remove contraption. Does that work? It did work, it did work. Yes, it does work. Now I see players and only stuff like that. Now we can drive to that tree and try to aim. I probably should have take instead of W and S, I probably should have it A and D and put the Canon as shift or W. It's pretty powerful, and if you decorate it enough and stuff, you'll eventually get this, which is the tank I made um just now for around 10 minutes ago. It has music box, seats, music discs. Here is the I even put some copycat blocks here. It does not have a cannon, it does have a small radar. It has this, which is kinda cool. Yeah, well, that's it. And I'll see you in the next video.